Find or read reviews that people are talking about Yonvim Dashcam front and rear, 2.5K plus 1080p, QHD dual dash camera for cars. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Crystal clear recording in 2.5K QHD. This dashcam front and rear captures every detail on the road with stunning 2.5K QHD resolution and a wide 160 degrees field of view, providing superior clarity both day and night. It's wide enough to clearly record up to 3 lanes of traffic. Ideal for those seeking a reliable car camera, dashcam front and rear solution. Dual-channel dashcam with night vision. Equipped with high-definition front and rear lenses, this dash camera for cars offers enhanced visibility even in low-light conditions. It functions as a front and rear dash camera, delivering complete road coverage for increased safety. 24-hour parking monitoring with G-sensor. The dash camera will stay protected even when parked. The built-in G-sensor and 24-hour parking mode automatically detect impacts and begin recording, making it a dependable dashcam front and rear camera for your vehicle's security. Seamless loop recording with expandable storage. Never miss a moment with intelligent loop recording that overwrites the oldest footage when storage is full. This camera for car includes a 64GB card and supports up to 256 GB, making it a reliable car dashcam solution for long road trips or daily commutes. Intuitive 3.39-inch IPS screen display. Easily view real-time footage and playback recordings on the vivid 3.39-inch IPS screen. Designed as a user-friendly car camera for both tech-savvy and first-time users, this dashcam is built for ease and reliability. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.